Alright, we are going to the Fast and Furious Supercharged. Let's go!
Oh, wait time's 25 minutes, not bad.
How many?
25.
Woohoo! No, we are actually 65, Gabriel.
Hours?
Is this? But there's no one here. Let's go.
Yeah, we just finished the whole thing.
Alright, it's not 25 minutes, but it's actually 65 for regular. 25 is for the single ride.
No for express.
Let's go. But there's no one here. Single ride, I think they missed this. Oh, the line starts here. Check out the car. Check out this car. We're in the car shop, everyone.
No more.
Check out these fake cars. Fake and cool. Woo. This is my ride right here. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's Billy's ride. That's your ride. Wait, it's gonna be like this. Come on. Wait, I'm serious.
Give me a look here.
You see my man Dom Toretto, he's leading the pack as they race to the finish line in Southern. You see, that's where the after party is going down. So, we will load y'all to the party bus soon. Hang tight.
Everybody, you guys are most welcome to come as close to the front as you'd like to. You've got nothing to worry about. I've got all the chains put up, so everybody's safe. Mostly me, that's okay. Oh, I'm on television, how you doing? All right. Come on in, everybody, welcome. You guys having a good day?
Yeah.
It's like 3 of you are having a good day? That's cool.
Another race just wrapped, and it looks like my brother won another car for his collection.
Excellent.
Honestly, I don't know why anybody challenges him.
I don't know, I would.
Well, we're meeting up at Sullivan's Garage for the after party, and I'll
You would kill me. Hold up. Whoa. Hey, you know what? I'm gonna call you back. I got a bunch of people just came in here. One of them was like filming me. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, I'll call you back later, alright? Alright, cool. Love you, Mom. See you later.
Mom.
Yeah, Mom. What's up? How you doing, guys?
Hey.
My name's Jamie. Why are you guys here?
We don't know.
party.
You don't know? It's a party?
Pat sent us here.
Party? What do you mean party? There's no party. If there was a party, I would have been invited. Yeah, there's no party. Is he right? Is there a party going on today?
Yeah.
I just wasn't invited.
Made diversion. Keep it going.
So you just ignored me
We need
this
to
whole time?
discuss how you're going to get all those civilians out of there without tipping off the FBI.
Why do you sound like a wrestler?
Okay, hold on. Let me get everybody squared away, and we'll talk offline.
Can't hear you offline.
Copy that, Tej, and let everybody know. Shut off your cell phones. We don't want Shaw tracking your locations.
Why?
Inside the party bus at all times. Don't make me turn this bus around. Also, all partygoers must have their own seat, including young children. And be sure to secure
Alright guys, ready? Let's go!
Automatic security service. And as of 16.9 seconds.
Guarantee my safety, I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot Let's go, Cookie Puss.
Got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off shop. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Man.
It was on vibrate.
Sure traced us. Hobbs can't hold it forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle.
It's about to get real. The Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door.
Speak now or you won't get fried.
This is our turn.
Alright, so this is the Fast and Furious store. So a lot of cars here. Shirt, more cars that way. Check it out. Wow. Alright, so we're done with Fast and Furious. It was awesome. I would give it like 9 out of 10.
Yes, it's amazing.
I give it 9.25.
I give it 9.5.
Give it a 9.
Alright. Yeah. Whoa. Check out the cars.
Oh, check out the car.
Looks like it. Alright guys, so we're done with Fast and Furious. It was awesome. I give it 9 out of 10. How about you, Gabriel?
9.
Cheyenne?
9.5.
Mommy?
Me too, 9.5.
Awesome. Alright, now let's check out the cool cars.